I do what I do because oftentimes people call Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben after a life-changing event. And my colleagues and I understand the importance of our role that we play in not only their case, but their lives. Part of our job is to help put back together their life that was flipped upside down as a result of someone else's negligence. And I speak for Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben when I say this, but we take great pride in being a steady and reliable hand to walk them through that process, however that may look. I think one thing that separates Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben from other personal injury law firms is the client-centered focus that we all approach. When we take on a new client, we're not just getting involved with their case, we're getting involved with their life. And we all do our best to develop a deep connection and to help them with whatever they may need through this long process. Because a lot of the times, these claims, and sometimes if it goes into a lawsuit, they can take a long time, and we get close with all of our clients. So one thing that really separates us is our ability to really connect with our clients, not only on an attorney-client basis, but as a person, an individual basis as well. One of the things that Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben provides to clients immediately is lifting the burden of all of the logistical things that follow a crash. We take over the communication with the insurance company, and we also take over communication with the law enforcement agency that may be investigating the incident. All we ask of you is to focus on your recovery and to listen to your doctors. Some personal injury attorneys, when you get an offer on a case that's probably below their actual valuation, they'll take it or encourage their clients to take it because they don't want to go through the litigation process because it can get lengthy and expensive. Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben has no issue with filing a lawsuit on your behalf and getting you the compensation that you deserve. Insurance companies, especially early on and before you're represented, will attempt to have you settle your claim by waving money in your face and asking you to sign this release. This is inappropriate for a couple of reasons. One, at that early in your case, you don't really have an idea of the extent of your injuries. It's unwise to settle a claim before you're actually done with treatment, or you have a doctor who's willing to opine with a reasonable degree of medical certainty that this is how much treatment you're going to need in the future. Because a lot of these injuries, especially out of car accidents, they develop slowly and over time. You should contact Schwebel, Getz, and Sieben because we have over 50 years of experience in the area. We're the largest Midwest personal injury law firm, and we are willing to fight for the compensation that you're entitled to.